In this question, we need to prove that among all rectangles with a perimeter of 80 centimeters, the one with the largest area is a square. We need to place these statements in the correct order. First, let's start out with the perimeter. We know that the perimeter for this shape must be 2 y's and 2 x's must add up to give us 80 centimeters. Next, notice that 2x plus 2y equals 8 can be reduced. This equation can all be divided in half, such that we would have x plus y equals 40. From here, let's go and isolate for one of our variables. Let's choose to isolate for y, such that we would have y is equal to negative x plus 40. The next thing we need to do from here is take this equation and substitute it into our area function. So let's locate the area function. The area function is area is equal to x times y. Now from here, we'll substitute in this equation, such that we would have a for area is equal to x, all multiplied by negative x plus 40. Notice that this equation, right here, has been substituted in for that y, such that we have the following. Now from here, what we would do is we would go and distribute. X times negative x is negative x squared, and x times 40 would give you 40x. The next thing you need to do from there is factor out the leading coefficient. It would be a negative 1, such that we'd have this next step like here. From here, we need to take this term, the negative 40, and we'll divide it in half and then square it. When we divide it in half and square it, we'll have plus 400 minus 400. When you divided that in half, it would have given you negative 20. Negative 20 squared would give you plus 400 minus 400. From here, we'll take the negative 400 and multiply it by the leading coefficient, which is a negative 1, which will bring it outside the brackets to be positive 400. From here, we can tell that we have a vertex that occurs at 20 and 400. 400 being the maximum area, x being the value that makes the maximum area occur. Now that we know the value for x is equal to 20, we can substitute that in to one of our original functions. Substituting in 20 into this function gives us y is equal to negative 20 plus 40, like so, and that simplifies to give us 20. So we found that our x value is 20 and our y value is 20. So since these are equal, we have proven that this rectangle is a square. And when a rectangle is a square, it'll lead to the largest area. Let's check our solution, and we are correct.